Welcome back to the channel. Got a little install video today. Kemimoto sent over some mirrors for the Wolverine, so we're gonna get those installed. They look like a decent mirror. Gonna look way better than the stock ones that are on it. We got the LEDs on the side here. It's a universal clamp, so it should fit on any, I think it's 1.5 to 2 inch, whatever it is. I'll put a link to their site in the description. So anyway, let's get to it. We'll get the old ones off, put these on. Let's go. Good so far. Pretty easy to install. Take the old ones off. The new ones just attach here and here. Wrap that around the pipe. Then you can loosen this to get the right angle. Tighten that down. It's just enough that if you hit a tree or something, it's gonna fold in, but it's not gonna go anywhere over the bumps. So let's get some wires run. Light these babies up. Working on running the wires now. Just pop them down through the plastics, and we decided where it doesn't come with a wiring harness, make sure you check the website. It doesn't come with a wiring harness, so here's what we decided to do. We've already got rock lights installed in this, so we're just going to run it back to that same switch, and that way when we turn rock lights on, the mirror lights should come on too. So now we just got to drill a little hole down in through here where those wires go and run it back to the switch. To show you guys a little comparison here of the mirrors, give you an idea of the field of view. These are pretty straight up and down. You can't see me at all in this one. Boom, there's my shirt. Way better for backing up. Oh yeah, these are awesome. Dang, they look good. Go with the rock lights good. Oh, she's gonna glow. Let's get her out and see. Like a fade or a pulse mode, that's pretty cool. All kinds of different modes. 7 color jump, 3 color jump, static colors. Man, these are cool. Oh yeah, those look wicked. So Kemimoto LED side mirrors. I'll put the link in the description. These things are dope. Oh yeah, these are nice. If you got rock lights or whips or anything and you want to add a little more light, these are the way to go. Plus, I mean, like I said before, better field of view in the mirror. Can't tell in the dark, but you saw it before. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Catch you on the next video. Peace.